Welcome back to the Refoundry tutorial series. In this video, we'll look at how quick and easy it is to build a hero section with Refoundry. I'll start by adding a container and changing the background color to the light blue. Next, I'll add a row and a column. I'll set the column width to 8 so the text stays on the left side instead of stretching across the entire section. Now let's add some content. First, I'll add a heading, change it to H1, and change the color. Let's add another heading and change it to H4. I'll change the color to pink. Next, I'll add a paragraph and change the text style. Let's add a button. I want a second button beside it, so I'll duplicate this one and change the button style. I'll also add some margin to the left. I also want to create more space between the paragraph and the buttons, so I will add some padding. Now let's add padding to the container to give the section more breathing room. Let's preview the layout. I'll add a little margin at the bottom of the section as well. Next, I want to add a background image to the container. I'll select an image from the library. I'll set it to no repeat, change the size to 20%, and position it in the right bottom corner. I'll also add border radius to the container. I can unlink the corners and control the radius of individual corners. Let's preview again. The section looks fine, but I don't like the amount of white space on the sides. To change that, I can toggle the Remove Max Width option. But this stretches the section all the way to the edges of the screen. Instead, I can set a custom width for the container. Let's set it to 1500 pixels. Now there is some white space on the sides, but not too much, and the section feels much more balanced. And that's a quick and easy way to build a polished hero section using Refoundry's layout blocks.